Warner.
Oh, watching an area of showers and thunderstorms now spreading out of Kansas and Oklahoma into western Missouri. Interesting feature right here we can point out. This is the gust front. This is the boundary generated by the rain to the west, that rain-cool air mass racing away from the thunderstorms, generating this gust front. And we are getting some gusty winds. Monette reported wind gusts of around 30 miles per hour when this gust front went through. I'm sure we found similar results in Aurora. And we're now finding that gust front spreading into the west side of Springfield. So, if you're watching from the west side of town, the winds are trying to pick up now. We're finding that in Willard. We're finding that in Republic. We're finding that back down through Marionville. And on the back side of this gust front, we are beginning to get some additional development. Some showers starting to pop up as that gust front acts just like a little cold front and helps to lift the air just enough to get some showers and possibly some thunderstorms going. Most of that activity, though, right now is located back toward I-49, stretching back into northeast Oklahoma. I think the severe weather threat with this round of storms is over with. But again, preceding the storms, some gusty winds, and we could find some at least spotty heavy showers and thunderstorms. Some of those thunderstorms producing against some lightning, so that's a danger overnight tonight. But all in all, this is a pretty benign round of weather that's going to go through, and many locations aren't going to get that much needed rainfall that we could certainly use. We haven't had a drop of rain in a lot of spots since the very end of August, and here we are closing in on the finish of the second week of September. Temperatures outside still warm, out ahead of that gust front, generally near 80 degrees, but notice the rain-cooled air on the backside of that gust front. Joplin coming in with a reading of 68, and we're going to find that cooler air spreading in overnight tonight. Temperatures today again, as I said going into the break, we're kind of tired of seeing this, especially now that we're so deep into the month of September. It has been an unusually hot month so far. This is the last 90-degree day for a couple of days. So we get a little bit of pause in this heat wave. Here's what we've got right now on the map. We've got a cold front which is going to continue to drop southeast overnight tonight. Looks like it's going to be knocking on the door of the I-44 corridor as you're waking up and getting ready for work tomorrow morning. Now, as far as rain chances, I think that broken area of showers and thunderstorms that's moving in will get to about I-44, and that's where it will tend to stall. It may get a little bit south of I-44, but that's about as far south as it's going to get. That means many locations from north central Arkansas into south central Missouri will remain dry overnight tonight. And as this cold front goes through during the day, that chance for a few widely scattered showers, and that's all I expect near that front through tomorrow, will gradually shift off to the southeast. Everybody, though, will enjoy cooler temperatures tomorrow and lower humidity, especially by the afternoon hours. It's going to feel pretty nice out there, I think, during the afternoon. And I think we're setting ourselves up for a really nice evening, especially if you've got maybe some Friday night football plans. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. This is through midnight. Watch what happens after midnight. Look how that activity kind of just fades away. Tomorrow morning, again, can't rule out a few widely scattered showers, especially near I-44. That threat for a few showers, though, will continue to slip on off to the southeast as we work through the day. There will still be quite a bit of high cloudiness, so I think a partly sunny day is what we'll find across much of the area. Temperatures tonight cooling into the upper 60s, highs tomorrow low to maybe middle 80s. Looks like about 83, possibly as warm as 84 here in the Springfield area. A very nice morning, I think, on Saturday with lows possibly in the upper 50s in areas like Lake of the Ozarks through Raleigh. I think here in Springfield about 64. 88, though, for a high. Humidity comes back, and then hot and humid in the back end of the weekend, a high of 92 on Sunday, and that heat will continue through next week. As I've said all week long, it looks like the following weekend, that's when we will see the switch over to a more persistent, milder pattern here in the area.
Like 70s then or something?
Initially, it'll probably be more like low 80s, but we may see it transition into upper 70s for highs. The bottom line is we're not talking 90s anymore.
You see, I'm trying to pin him down here. Like, what are you talking about, 70s or 80s?
And I think that will also be the end of the summer humidity that we've been dealing with here.
Now, that's good news. We don't want the humidity.
That's right. Viewers Club number?
Okay, here it is, 237-056, and our jackpot is at $200.
All right, thanks, Jamie. We'll come